La la la. Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be washing a 10.5 tog single duvet with 70% down and 30% feather. I'm going to wash it at 40 degrees on a bedding cycle. It also states that you need to tumble dry without delay to avoid any chance of down clumping together. I don't have a dryer, so fingers crossed it turns out okay. The recommended drum size is between 8 and 9 kilo for a single size duvet, and between 9 and 10 kilos for a double, and between 10 and 12 for a king size. So check your duvet for small holes before you wash, so you don't want all them feathers and stuffing coming out. Also choose the lowest possible temperature. It states on the label for me it's 40 degrees, so I'm going to do 40-degree wash. However, you might want to set it to 30 degrees. An additional rinse will help to remove detergent residue, as down is an absorbent material. Therefore, I'm going to set the Samsung to do an extra rinse on a low RPM spin speed. Preferably you want to use a detergent that specialises in down, and I'm just going to use normal detergent today. If you don't have a tumble dryer, you can dry the duvet outside, but not in direct heat, as the sun can cause shrinkage. A temperature higher than 37 Celsius will cause the down to lose its elasticity. And also don't line dry as well. The line drying encourages lumping towards both ends of the duvet. Another tip is not to iron as well, not to iron the duvet. The heat can damage the soft down inside. So much to remember. How often do you need to wash your duvet? Rarely is the answer to that question, as down has a natural protection against odour and foreign substances. Okay, that's it. Let's take it out of the washing machine, and I'm going to lay it flat on the hanging wire there. As you can see, the feathers have clumped together, as you would expect if you're washing the duvet without drying it. And I can't hang it outside either because it's too cold, and so therefore I'm just going to wait for it to dry and probably give it a gentle shake to get it back to how it was before. Okay, this is a few days later. It's completely dry, and as you can see there, the feathers have dried basically. All the feathers are contained in their individual squares. Apart from this here and the middle section here, there's no feathers in that one, so I wonder how that escaped. So that is a mystery to be solved. Anyway, yes, just give your duvet a gentle shake and it should restore back to its former glory. Okay, finally, this is how you cover a duvet with a bed linen, and all you'd need to do is grip the edges of the bed linen and then fold inside out and grab each corner, right and then left, and then grab the edges of the duvet and then flip the bed linen sheet over the duvet, and that's how you cover a duvet. A simple way to do it. So this has been How To Not To, giving you some helpful tips there on how to wash in the Samsung wash machine, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see further videos from me. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.